Good morning, students. Today we are going to study very nice story, The River Bank. Now, children, you must have seen mouse at your home. They are rats. They are moving here and there. Keep their mouth doing like this, like this. There are too many mouses and rats. You see, they keep on doing like this, like this. Okay, like this. The teeth will be like this, always like this. Why do they do like this? Do you know the reason there is behind this? Children, because the mouse teeth they keep on growing after every minute, every hour. If they just keep like this, their mouth will be like this, like this, like this, like this, and their mouth will become this big. So they keep on scribbling like this, so that their teeth doesn't grow. This is so funny and interesting fact that I told you about the mouse. Let us understand the story what the character these two mouse have now. Children, the name of the story is the river bank. The river bank is the corner of the river. All right. Now two main characters here. One is mole and the other is water rat. One is mole and the other is water rat. These are the names of the mouse. The first mouse is mole and the second mouse is the water rat. Now the story starts with this mouse. He actually cleaning his house. He is actually cleaning his house. Sometimes what happen when we have leave, when we have holiday, what we do? We clean our houses. So similarly, mole is cleaning the house. As he is cleaning the house, he is tired and tired. Automatically, he checks the weather outside the window, and when he checks the weather outside the window, he finds it to very nice, very pleasing. The weather is so good. So what he did, he keeps everything down and says, "No more cleaning. Now I tried. I am tired and I am going to take rest. I will go outside and rest for a while." Now what he does, he goes outside the house and then he find another good thing, which is a river. Now what he does is, he has never seen a river before. He goes to the river, sits on bank and comfortably checks what is it. How is the river? What is there in the river? What is there in the river? How is the weather now, children? As he is watching here and there, he finds there in a small hole exactly opposite of the river. Suppose here is the mall and other side opposite, just same other side opposite. There, water rat is there. Uh, he finds small hole and found that in that hall one brown little face and silky hair with whiskers, small neat ears. The creature was the rat, the water rat. Small face, hair and silky hair. Now the mole was shocked to see the water rat. What he is doing there? So this water rat, he says, "Hi mole, do you want to come here and see what is there?" Now the problem here is mole house and water rat house. "Hi mole, do you want to come here and see what is there?" Now the problem here is mole house and water rat house is separated by a river. So how he will go? There is mole stepped on. How he will go? There is a small boat that rat rowed and took the mole to other side of the river. Now the mole stepped on the boat. He reached water rat house. Now both of them are here. Both of them are here. Both of them are here. Now the water rat said, "How did you come here? Did you seen the river? Did you seen the weather? Now the mole says, I am so sorry, I have never ever seen the river. I don't know what type of river is this. Can you please explain? So Water Rat said, if you are free, if you don't have any work, come with me. The Water Rat offered to the mole to come with me. I will take you through the river. You will see different things. We will talk, we will enjoy, spend a long day on it, and later on you will go back to your house. Now what happens? Both of them were sitting on the boat. Now they are just in the water. They are talking. They are discussing. Now what Red says, you don't have to worry about the food also, because I have all the food material. I have pickled gherkins, salad, French rolls, crust sandwiches. I have juice, everything. We will take everything. It will be a kind of picnic. You come with me and we will go now. Both of them sit together discussing about lot of things. Mole is very curious. Curious means he wants to know something. What is weather? What is the boat? So now Mole asked him, you live here is a river. What is beyond the river? What is after the river? What is at the background? Then he tells, there is a wildwood. Wildwood here means that there are some big animals in the forest. There are horses, there are fox, there are animals. The mole says, can we go to the wildwood? It will be great to see that. The Water Rat tells him, there is the wild animals, they will kill us. We are very small, they are very huge giant creatures. Very huge giant creatures. They will kill us. So it is better we don't go. We are on the boat itself, he said. Then what is after wildwood? River. River after wildwood, then what is after the wildwood? Then Water Rat said, there is a wide world. Then what is wild world here? This wild world means where all the animals living together. So the Water Rat says that it is better you don't talk about this wide world. Let us be happy in this our small world. Let us be happy. Let's sit in the boat and eat something and go back to our houses. Do not talk about the wild world. So now students, this was the story about the riverbank, where two mouses, one is mole and the other is Water Rat, meet each other, and in boat they go on a picnic, discuss about wildwood and wide world. I hope you all understood. Thank you.